ये लिखा है।
क्या लिखा है? रिकॉर्ड किया है क्या?
Ma'am, exam is great way to fill water and water in the room and room will open. What do you want to say, beta? Okay. Now all of you join your hands. Close your eyes. Start chanting Omkaram. Sairam. So today, what we were studying? What we were studying? We were studying train. The sixth poem, unit 6 poem, train. Isn't it? Yesterday I gave you a work. Yeah.
मैम आपने बोला था कि डिक्टेशन कराएगी आप.
First of all, just wait. Let the teacher finish her work. Yesterday I gave you a homework. Isn't it? What work I gave you? I gave you to write the poem and make an imaginary train of your own which you want to see in the future. Yeah. How colorful you want. Okay. Now my first question that you have to write in the chat box, everybody has to write that what facilities, what new facilities, कौन सी ऐसी फैसिलिटी है जो अभी ट्रेन में है वो नहीं. Anything new which you want to add in the train, just write in the chat box. Everybody should write anything new, any new facility which you want to add in the trains. Any train, either it should be a goods train, any train, passenger train, any train. What facilities you want to add? Everybody should write. Anirudh, no talking with your parents. Be attentive in the class. I can see you. You have to write in the chat box the question which I gave you. What facility? Any new, any innovative idea which you are having? Think. ऐसी कोई चीज मुकुंद आप भी लिखिए. Just write in the chat box. Try to write in the chat box what new facility you want to add in the train. Drives by robots. They can fly. Very good. TV room and games room for playing game. Very good. Excellent, Anish. Else, he wants the train should fly. The train should not run on tracks. And there should be a swing in a train. Okay, there should be a swing in the train. Yes, very good. Unmat, any new idea? Don't show your thumbs. New idea. I want new idea. One idea I got that the trains drive by robot. Nowadays, in many countries there are, but the trains never fly. या अथर्व, हाँ बोलिए अथर्व.
आज मेरा बर्थडे है.
हाँ अभी आप कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए फिर मैं आपका बर्थडे मना दूंगी. ठीक है. आप पहले ही बार प्लेइंग रूम, स्पीड बूस्टर टीवी. Would you understand my word? The Chinmay speed booster TV. Chinmay, अथर्व, mute yourself.
मैम ट्रेन में स्पीड बूस्टर होने चाहिए जिससे कि वो तेज चल सके और टीवी भी जिससे कि सारे लोग देख सके बड़ा सा.
तो मुझे स्पीड बूस्टर का मतलब नहीं बता. स्पीड बूस्टर क्या होता है? बिग रूम फॉर स्लीप. ओके.
स्पीड बढ़ती है.
Okay. It will increase your speed. Okay. Else. Else. Write in the chat box, Kavitin. No talking. AC in every part. Ah, there is AC. They should be fly. They should fly in the sky. Acha, they fly. Okay. The train should fly. Seats increase in coach. Okay. The seats. Mukund has written that seats should be increased in every coach. This number of seats should be increased. Okay. Playing games. Okay. Anirudh. Anirudh, what you have done this one? Huh? Playing area. Okay. Playing area. Else any new thing? Any innovative kitchen? There is a kitchen. We are saying it as pantry. There is a facility, not in every train, but in long distance train, there is a facility of pantry. I play full funny game. Okay. Each coach has bed only for every one, like room, no seats. Okay, okay. There should be no seats. There should be only beds. Okay. Shower in the bathroom. Okay, very good. There should be a bathroom facility. Okay, very good. Excellent, excellent. Okay. So now so many new ideas which came to your mind. Playing room. Don't write again and again that one. Same, don't use same word. Think of new words. If you are going to copy your friends now, then no new word will come. Don't copy your friends. Be innovative. Change the word. Write it synonym. Synonym matlab similar meaning. Understood? So that means all of you have understood what I want to say. So many innovative ideas came to us that the children want speed boosters. Then the train should fly. They should have a playing room. The train seats should be increased. They should have beds instead of seatings. They should have beds. Chocolate room, chocolate shop in train. Very good. Study room in a train. Yeah, some students like to study. Yeah, I want to add a study room in the train. Yes, some students love studying. They love enjoying reading comics. I want to add a study room. Yes, very good. Okay, now that's fine. Very good. Now today, first of all, we are going to celebrate Athav's birthday. And then what we are going to do? We are going to start with dictation. Okay, all of you are ready? And the invigilators are your parents. Your parents are going to check your copy. So then I am going to explain you the Lalit. मैं जब तक आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी तब तक आप क्या करेंगे? मैं पोम को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, उस बीच आपके पेरेंट्स आपके टीचर होंगे. सबके पेरेंट्स आज आपके टीचर हैं. मैं डिक्टेशन दूंगी और आपके पेरेंट्स चेक करके और आप मार्क्स भरेंगे पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ. ठीक है? और मोहितांशी, understood? So what we have to do? First of all, we are going to celebrate Athav's birthday. So everybody unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. सब लोग अपने आप. Otherwise I can't use it. We are going to celebrate his birthday like this. And now I am going to pin him. Wait, I am going to just pin him so that you can all see. Everybody can.
मैम मेरा भी बर्थडे.
Now, okay. Celebrate his birthday. Happy Happy
Happy birthday to you.
long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Adnan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Adnan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mute yourself, everybody. By the count
Happy
of
birthday.
1, 2. Mute yourself, Lalit, Koti. Vaibhav, please. Mohitanshi, please. Don't write anything in the chat box, beta. Don't write chat. You have wished him, na? No need to write in the chat box, especially. Sanvi, Arathya, Bhargav, don't write anything in the chat box related to birthday, okay? We have celebrated his birthday. You wished him, okay? Now what we are going to do? I am going to, first of all, give you dictation. So take out pencil, copy, eraser with you. Be fast. All of you are ready? Are you all ready? Show me your thumbs. Show me your thumbs if you are ready. Show me your thumbs. Arathya, Bhargav, camera on. Alina, uniform. Avyuddin, you should be in uniform.
Ma'am, ma'am, out of city.
Okay, you are out of city. Okay, it doesn't matter. Very good. Look, she has tried to speak in English. She told that she is out of city. Very good, Alina. Everybody has written the word dictation. Now the first word is, are you all ready? Lalit, आप लिख रहे हैं? डिक्टेशन दे रही हूं मैं. लिखिए सब बच्चे. Camera on. Everybody should keep his or her camera on so that I can see you all. The first word is trains. 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 Trains.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करना है.
बेटा
मैम रिपीट.
बेटा कॉपी में लिखने के लिए बोला है, चैट बॉक्स में कुछ नहीं भरना है. मैंने बोला है कॉपी पेंसिल लेकर के बैठिए और आपको लिखना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड ट्रेन्स. आपके पेरेंट्स उसको चेक करेंगे और आपको नंबर बताएंगे. आई कैन सी मुकुंद्स वर्क. वेरी गुड मुकुंद.
मैम रिपीट योर वर्ड.
The first word is trains. Trains. Don't show me, otherwise rest of the students are going to see. Okay, don't show.
मैम नेक्स्ट.
Next word is mountain. Mountain. It is not mountains. The word is mountain. Mountain.
मैम आई हैव डन. मैम सिलू से बताना.
ये कौन बीच में बोल रहा है? बीच में आपको क्लास में ध्यान देना चाहिए. बीच में
आई हैव डन.
बेटा डोंट से आई हैव डन. You just show me your thumbs. Otherwise, what will happen? Network problem will be there. Show me your thumbs. I can see you all. Yeah, I can see Unmukh. I can see Jivika. I can see Hardika. Vaibhav. I cannot see your face. Mohitanshini. Yes. Very good. Now the next third word is plane. Lalit, write from third word. Planes. Planes.
मैम planes.
Don't repeat that word, beta. The teacher is going to repeat. You just listen it very carefully. Planes. Planes. I will repeat the word 5 times. Be attentive and write the answers. Planes. Then the next word is fourth word. What is, which word it is? Fourth word now. Fourth word is carrying. 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 Sanvi, open your camera. Carrying. Very good. Unmukt has written. Very good, Unmukt. Carrying. Then precious. 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 The next word is passengers. Passengers. Sanvi, write passengers. 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 Written, Vaibhav? Yes. Mail. 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 Mail.
मैम फिफ्थ वाला बता दो।
बेटा फिफ्थ वाला मुझे नहीं पता ऐसे, अभी मैं दोबारा वेट, अभी मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी, अभी पहले मुझे इसको कंप्लीट कर लेने दीजिए। मेल। देन द वर्ड, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज प्लेन्स। प्लेन्स। रिटन एवरीबॉडी, प्लेन्स। हार्दिका रिटन प्लेन्स। चिन्मय, अलीना, उन्मुक्त, मुकुंद रिटन प्लेन्स।
यस मैम।
I can see such a nice. Don't open, don't unmute yourself. Show me your thumbs. I can see you all. Ah, yeah. Dusk. Dusk. Unmukh, no talking with your parents. Dusk.
मैम एट वाला कौन सा है?
नहीं पता।
नो दस।
पहले आप डस्क लिखो।
ओके।
Dusk. Which word it is? How many words I have told you, Sanvi, till now?
Train, mountain.
Number of words. I want number of mountains. Number of words. Sorry.
Ma'am, 8 words.
8 words. Okay. Okay.
Third.
Sanvi, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay.
Ma'am,
9. Okay. Last word is, ninth word is dawn. 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 Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Write the ninth word, dawn.
मैम 8th वाला बता दीजिए एक बार।
अभी आपको सब वर्ड बता दूंगी, पहले आप जो मैं बता रही हूँ उसको लिखते जाइए। लास्ट वर्ड, दिस इज 10th वर्ड। मुकुंद, इज इट 10th वर्ड और नॉट? विच वर्ड इट इज मुकुंद? शो मी विच वर्ड इट इज। ये कौन सा वर्ड है? 9th वाला है। कितने वर्ड्स?
मैम 9th वाला है। मैम
10th वर्ड है ये। 10th वर्ड है। I am going to tell the last word, that is bringing. Bringing. Bringing.
I have done, ma'am.
चिन्मय, चिन्मय, सायराम चिन्मय।
Yes, ma'am.
Now repeat all the words. Let all students check the words. You have to repeat very slowly.
Train.
First word, you have to repeat the first. All of you have to check these words, whether you have written the words correctly or not. He is saying once again, just check it.
Train. Mountain. Plane. Carrying. Precious. Passengers. Mail. Dust. Dawn. Bringing.
And one more word. Everybody has done. Now give this copy to your parents. They are going to check it. You give this copy to your parents and they will check and they will tell you the marks. Till then, I am going to explain you with the help of Diksha app the poem's meaning. Okay? Vaibhav, don't open your mic. Chinmay?
मैम 5th से लेकर 8 तक बता दो.
क्या बता दो 5th से लेकर 8th तक? किसको बता दो?
मैम
यथार्थ अभी आपको चिन्मय ने बोला था तो आपको बताना चाहिए था ना. एक बार और सुन लीजिए. चिन्मय, डोंट शो योर कॉपी. मुकुंद.
मैम कितने में से देना है मार्क्स?
10 में से आउट ऑफ 10. 1 mark each. Chinmay, repeat words from 5th.
Precious.
The 5th word is precious. What is the 5th word? Precious. After that? Passengers.
Mail. Dusk.
Sanvi. Dusk. Dawn. Bringing. Very good. Thank you. Alina, what happened? Shivansh Saxena. 10 out of 10 marks. Very good. Lakhan, 9 marks. Very good. You can write in the chat box now. How many marks you have scored, you can write in the chat box. Be honest. आपको ऑनेस्टी दिखानी पड़ेगी कि आपको जितने मार्क्स आए हैं कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उन्मुख का 6 मार्क्स. वेरी गुड. मोहितांशी 9. वेरी गुड. You should be honest. Sanvi 10 out of 10. Very good. Jivika 10. आप ईमानदारी से आपको जितनी मार्क्स आ रहे हैं. वेरी गुड मुकुंद 4. वेरी गुड मुकुंद. एक्सेलेंट बेटा. ही इज वेरी ऑनेस्ट. Whatsoever marks he has scored, he showed it clearly. Very good. Don't run for full marks. Whatsoever marks you are scoring, it's your learning time. ये आपका सीखने का समय है. तो ये नहीं देखना है कि मुझे 10 मार्क्स चाहिए. आप सीख रहे हैं तो मिस्टेक्स भी होंगी. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गौरव 6. वेरी गुड. आदित्य लोग 9/5. व्हाट इज 9/5 आदित्य? आराध्या राठौर 7. अनिरुद्ध 7. Abhyuday 6. Very good. Very good. Children are very honest. Very good. Excellent. Chinmay 9. Utkarsh 9. Very good. Very good. Just clap for yourself, for your honesty. आप लोग कितने ईमानदार हैं देखिए. अपने लिए क्लैप कर लीजिए. Very good. Aman 6. Purti 4. Very good. You should be honest. No matters how many marks you have scored. Marks matter नहीं करता बेटा. Matter करता है आपका learning. आप कितना सीख रहे हो. Okay? So now I am going to share my screen and I am going to show you a small PPT of trains explanation. Devanshi.
Then I got 10. 10.
Yeah,
I got 10 out of 10.
very good. I can see. I got 10 out of 9. Devangshi, 11 by 9. What is 11 by 9? 10 by 9. 10 by 4. Very good. Ayush Yogi has honestly said. Very good, Yagya. Very good, Devangshi. Devangshi, 11 words you have written. Okay. So, we are going to start. I am going to present my screen and I am going to explain you the poem once again. Yeah. Now, what you all can see that you are presenting your screen. Here is an yeah trains. Can you see a beautiful Chinmay? Chinmay, Jivika, are you there in the class?
What, ma'am?
Are you there in the class? Class में हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. आपको अभी 1 मिनट डॉक्यूमेंट लोड हो रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. Load for that.
हाँ, चलो. Now all of you can see train. Such a colorful train, isn't it? So today I am going to explain the first stanza by stanza. How many stanzas are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 stanzas are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 stanzas are there. So in this I am going to because the last stanza is the repetition of the first one. So I am going to explain. The poet tells what is the name of the poet? The name of the poet is James S. Tippett. He says
10
that.
of 10.
Beta, I am explaining you the poem. Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
The explanation of the explanation of the first stanza is that the train starts its journey, comes over mountains, rivers, and plains. It goes here and there merrily and joyfully. How the train is going? It is moving from mountains, plains, rivers. You might have seen when you are traveling. Now, while crossing the path of the rivers and mountains, it also carries the loads of the passengers, mails, and other important and precious things. It is very punctual because without any delay or fail, it drops passenger on time and deliver things also. We all know that without any fail, it carries passengers, but it also carries goods without worrying about day or dark. It keeps on going. Understood? So, have you understood the explanation? Now, one by one, the child has. I am going to tell the names of the student. He or she has to read these lines once again. Okay, right from Atharv Bhargav. Today is his birthday. Now let him give chance. Atharv.
Yes.
Read from here. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read this one.
The train starts
I read it. I explained you. Journey.
Journey comes over mountain, river and plain. It goes
Very good.
here
Wait,
and
wait, 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 wait. One line. Devangshi.
yes, ma'am.
Now it's your turn.
comes over mountain, river.
Devangshi.
Comes
Atharva.
over mountain, river, and plains.
Atharva.
It shows her hand.
Atharva, mute. Wait, Devangshi, wait. Atharva, mute yourself. Now read. From where you have to read?
The train starts.
No, not from here. Not from here. No, not from here. Dhैर्य Banchal, mute yourself. Devangshi. Dhैर्य Banchal. Gaurav Sahu. Hardika.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read. From where you have to read?
And from there, I have to read.
What you are asking me?
Then from where I have to read.
That you should know. Now you are in the class.
Comes
If you are attentive, then you can read. You should be attentive.
comes over mountain, river.
No, not from here. No, not attentive. Jivika.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me check. Now read.
And plains.
No, Jivika.
आपने and पर इधर रखा था. Okay.
नहीं, आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. ऐसा थोड़ी है. Kaviuddin.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read. From where you have to read?
Merrily and joyfully.
No, right from where you have to read. He has completed one sentence. Athar Bhargav has completed one sentence. The next sentence you have to read. What is the next sentence?
It gets here and
It goes.
merrily and joyfully.
Goes. What is the word pronunciation? It goes. ट्रेन अपना जो सफर है वो कहाँ से लेके जाता है? पहाड़ों पर से, नदियों से, प्लेन्स में से, सब जैसे जाता है और बड़े मस्ती से जाता है, एंजॉय करते हुए जाता है कि नहीं? ट्रेन कभी दुखी नहीं होता कि वो अरे पहाड़ पे से जा रहा हूँ, मुझे ऊपर चढ़ना है, मुझे नीचे उतरना है, मुझे पानी से जाना है, मुझे ऐसे करना है, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता उसको. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट इज Aman. Aman, next stanza.
Yes, ma'am.
Next stanza.
Six stanza 16.
Arey, read from what is shown in the screen. What is shown on the screen? Just look at the thing which is shown on the screen. You have to read that for explanation part. While crossing, right from here, Aman. Can you, Jivika, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
And now read the sentence.
While crossing the paths of rivers and mountains, it also carries the loads, and other important and precious things.
Wait. Now Mukund. Mukund, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Bolo, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read from here, beta.
एंड अगर भी पढ़ दो बेटा, क्लियर विजिबल नहीं होता है। एंड अगर पढ़ दो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है। एंड अगर
Is very
इम्पोर्टेंट
Important and period.
no right from here. It is very punctual.
ध्यान से पढ़ना।
Mukund, you have to read from here. It is very punctual.
Without any delay of train, it drops the passengers on
Passenger.
time and
Deliver
deliver things also.
things. Oh, very good. Okay. Okay. So the next stanza. Next stanza is for Shivansh. 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 Are you there in the class? This stanza is telling that while crossing. Shivansh, are you there in the class? No. Unmukt? 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 Yes, read this stanza.
Yes, ma'am. We all
Explanation of the stanza
know
3.
that window any fill the carries person, but it also carries
Not wait, wait, wait.
goods without
Unmukt, wait. Unmukt, wait. It is not it is passengers. Read it once again. Read it once again.
working
We all know
about
that. Beta, read from the beginning of the sentence. We all know that. Unmukt,
about day
Unmukt.
or drug.
Yagya,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yagya. Now read this stanza 3.
Okay, ma'am. We all say
We all say.
we all know that without
It is not now. We all, wait, Yagya. We all know that.
Will it carries passengers? Could it also
But
carries good without
worrying
about days or dark things going on?
Very good. So, what is the train? Very good, thank you. The train is saying that while crossing the paths of rivers and mountains, it also carries loads of the passengers, mails, and other important precious things. वो बहुत सारी चीजें जब वो ट्रेन अपने साथ पैसेंजर्स को ले जाता है, मेल्स और बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें, बहुत महंगी चीजें भी लेके जाता है और जिसको वो टाइमली पहुंचाता है without delay. So what the train teaches us, what train teaches us that we should be punctual in our work. Whatsoever work which we have been assigned, that work we should do it very punctually. Okay. Now we all know that without fail it carries passengers, but it also carries goods. You might have seen goods trains also. तो ये क्या करता है, गुड्स ट्रेन्स भी कैरी, गुड्स भी बिल्कुल ये नहीं सोचता है कि दिन है कि रात है, वो चलता जाता है, ट्रेन चलता जाता है, चलता जाता है। तो क्या बोल रहा है कि ट्रेन पोएम जो है, हाँ, ये हमें ये मैसेज देता है बेटा कि हमें चीजों से हार नहीं माननी है, थकना नहीं है कि अभी हम थक गए और ये मैम बोल रही है थक रहे हैं, नहीं, एंजॉय करना है। ट्रेन भी क्या करता है, अपने काम को एंजॉय करता है। अगर हम कोई भी काम को एंजॉय करते हैं तो क्या होता है, वो काम हमको बोझा नहीं लगता। ओके, सो टुडे we have done up to this one, and tomorrow I'm going to I'm going to give you word meanings. Okay, or are you going to write the word meanings within 5 minutes? Are you ready to write word meanings? Show me your thumbs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm going to share my screen and you just write the word meanings. Right here. Can you all see? Chinmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just write these word meanings. I have sent a screenshot of it in your class group also. You can write from there also. How many students have completed?
मैम मुझे लिखना है।
तो क्या करना था बेटा, बता दीजिए। अब मैंने एक काम किया, एक काम कीजिए, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप खोल लीजिए, उसमें मिल जाएगा आपको। ठीक है, राइट फ्रॉम योर व्हाट्सएप। The time is 10:17. Okay, take out your WhatsApp group and just write from your WhatsApp. Okay, now join your hands, close your eyes, start the Shanti Path, and don't send on WhatsApp group. इस काम को आपको WhatsApp ग्रुप पे नहीं भेजना है, आपको इसको काम को करना है और भेजना नहीं है, लेकिन ठीक है। स्टार्ट द शांति पाठ। शांति शांति शांति। साईराम। साईराम स्टूडेंट्स।
मैम
साईराम।
मैम